Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's all, but we need each other. No, it's all, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's all, but we need each other. No, it's all, but we need each other.
All I did is overlock the sides of the pockets. That there's 4 pockets, and then I added interfacing and overlocked the sides of the waist belts, waistbands. Then I also overlocked the lining all around, all 2 sides as well as the top, and I did the same to the main fabric. Excuse my creased tablecloth, I did not iron it. I just washed it, but I didn't iron it yet. See, that's our main fabric. So what we're going to do, I was trying to figure out which green to use for the infinity dress. Let me just show you. See, although I think black is my best bet. Yeah, I'll go with black. Change of plans, I'll be going with navy, because the lines here are actually navy and not black.
To paradise. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the 2 of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. I come around. Somebody just fill you up, then I take you down. Got someone I don't you love when I come around. Somebody just fills you up, then I take.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So I'm waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. If that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard, only thing I get is my if that's all you ask for, with my legs up on the dashboard, only thing I get is
So we're just gonna put this part aside. This is how far we are. The waist belt is in, as well as the infinity straps. That's how long the infinity straps are. See, I don't think we have enough bust coverage, so I just might sew it a little bit here. Yeah, that's where we are now. Let's go on to the skirt part. I love how this pattern is actually connecting. Look at that. See? The pattern is connecting. Or aligning, whatever you want to call it. That is so awesome. So before we gather the skirt, I'm going to attach the pockets. So this is the right side of the fabric. And then we measure 3 inches from the top. Inches. Then we take the right side of the pocket and place it on there. So pockets are right sides facing, and I'm just gonna sew here and do the same.
Don't live the game, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Don't live the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king. Say that you love him. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. Know it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. Know it's hard, but we need each other.
Okay, now this is where we are. All I have to do now is hem the bottom, obviously, and then press and iron the dress and insert a zipper, and just like that we're done. So I'll show you once I'm done with everything. And we are done. So I obviously still need to press the dress, but we're basically done. After pressing the dress, I'll be sending it through to my customer. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you again next Wednesday. Happy Sunday. Mwah.
king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Pop everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king.
Say that you love me.